गुड इवनिंग सर।
अच्छा।
सर फिजिक्स में फर्स्ट चैप्टर का एक क्वेश्चन है। मैं आपको क्लास के बाद भेज दूं तो वो आप एक बार सॉल्व करके भेज दो कि उसका आंसर।
हाँ 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 हाँ, सेंड कर दो मुझे।
ठीक है सर। ठीक है सर, क्लास के बाद सेंड कर देती हूँ।
हम्म।
है भाई, सबसे पहले मैं।
आज तुमने सबसे पहले ज्वाइन किया है।
यस सर, अभी तक किसी ने ज्वाइन नहीं करा।
कर लिया,
हरिप्रिया आ गई।
हरिप्रिया ने आगे।
Sorry, sir, I forgot.
You thought it's on 9 p.m.
No,
class.
sir, today was actually a holiday for us. I forgot.
Oh, Rakhi holiday.
No, sir, but Mahalakshmi.
Hmm. What Mahalakshmi?
Varmahalakshmi.
अच्छा 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 अच्छा. What do you do on this? This festival is
Sir,
not done here, I think.
I don't know what it's.
Hmm. What do you do there in this today?
Sir, we pray to God Mahalakshmi and we keep a idol sort of.
Acha acha. We keep our idols and then you pray, and then you after that just praying,
Ah, yes, sir.
and then you do not eat foods and all. Good food, better one. What mother made today?
We had busy bele, but
Ah, bisi velva. That I like. Haripriya, but the bisi bele bhat that you make, that's sweet in taste. That's sweet in taste, or the it's normal salty. I think she did not hear. Shama, you also have holiday today.
Yes, sir, we all had holiday.
And you are enjoying today, yes? Tomorrow is also holiday.
So what, sir?
Tomorrow is Rakhi, na? That festival.
Tomorrow is Raksha Bandhan.
Tomorrow is Raksha Bandhan. If you have sisters, she will come and she will tie a Rakhi. And you will have to give gifts. And today, I think that today at your place it will be Varmalakshmi, na?
Yes, sir.
That one. The Bisi Bele Bhat that you make actually is actually said to be the very uh, nutritious food, they say. Acha, did you understand this one? Last time we have done this one, finding out this everything, no doubts, na? Finding out the tangent only in terms of m. Haripriya, okay?
yes, sir.
Okay. Let's solve some. अच्छा, first let us solve this question. Should be easy. Not everyone is enjoying. Every student is very happy because tomorrow is holiday. See, try solving this one. It's pure geometry. What happened? Is it difficult?
Sir, could you show how the diagram would be?
Yeah, wait. One of the diameters of a circle is one circle. This is another circle. This is the diameter. Okay. Now this, the red one, the pink one, is our x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 6 is equal to 0. That circle. Its center. This is a chord for the bigger circle. Whose center is at 2, 1. 2, 1. Its center. This is how the diagram. Okay.
Yes.
Array. This is very easy.
So from the equation, we could find the center.
The center you can find.
And then the center we could find. And then in the center, what to tell?
Sir, is it exactly below the center of the first one?
It will be.
Then it will be perpendicular.
Yes, and also it will bisect also the chord.
Correct.
Couldn't we use Pythagoras theorem?
We can use. Because see, if it is not below the center, If you think that 2 comma this the center of that above circle is not below this 2 comma 1, then make it below. Means we will take it now. If the circle was somewhat like this, suppose like this here, this was the diameter, we'll make it like
Like
this.
we'll find the center of the circle and we could like find the radius, no?
Yes,
From the equations we could derive the center.
very easy. Actually, by now you should have understood the importance of that formula that I have told you now. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2y plus c. For this, the center is
Standard general equation. Like these
mi-
G's
minus g comma
in
minus f,
height here.
and radius is root over g square plus f square minus c.
See. Now you have to basically plug in the
Here is the radius 3.
What the final answer? 3. Correct. Actually, it is very easy because the center now.
But if the radius would be 3, no, nothing.
The center of this circle is 1 comma 3, and the radius of this circle is what? 1 square plus 3 square minus 6. So 9
2.
minus 6. Acha. 3 plus 1, 4, 2. This will be 2. This will be 2. Again, this distance you can find out easily. Very easy to find. This is 3 minus 1, 2 square. Root over 2 square plus 1 square. Root 5. This is root 5. It is a right angle triangle easily. This is a right angle triangle. This is right one. This is root 5. This is 2. Easily this will be your radius. So it is 5 plus 4, 9. Root 9 is 3. Over. Got the answer. That's why I said it's not a difficult one. It's easy one only. Just the use of Pythagoras theorem. Okay? राधिका तुमने कुछ मिस नहीं किया है, बस एक क्वेश्चन दिया था मैंने, उसके बाद अब ये वाला क्वेश्चन, कोई कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं बताया,
रिलेटेड है,
वही टेंजेंट से रिलेटेड है। ये ऊपर वाला तो
लास्ट टाइम करा था।
हाँ ऊपर वाला नहीं था, हाँ ये वाला टेंजेंट से रिलेटेड है।
ठीक है सर।
So can you draw the diagram?
There's nothing much actually in this. See, the question, the circle whose center is this. This is a circle. Center is given minus 1 comma 1. It touches the straight line. This is your straight line. It can be, it is x plus 2y plus 12 is equal to 0. They want the coordinate where the tangent is, the point of contact. It's point alpha comma beta.
Minus 18 by 5, comma minus 21.
Correct. What did you use?
Straight lines concept perpendicular.
Acha.
Because it's from the center to the tangent to be perpendicular.
There are two ways. Yes, there are two ways. Because the point that we are trying to find this point now. Acha, let me ask them. Haripriya, Radhika, Kanishka, did you get the idea how to solve, how to
So
get
I'm
this?
solving with slope. And 1 equals to half of and 1 by m1.
The slope will be 2. So you can find out this equation.
फिर दो equations होंगे फिर से sort कर
Solve कर लोगे.
Yeah, so this is what I answered.
X plus 1. This is thing. The other equation is x plus 2y is equal to plus 12 is equal to 0. But I expected different from you. So these two equations you solve and then get the point of intersection. One way is this. Other ways you can use that formula that I've given last time. When there is a circle, equation of circle, the slope of the tangent is m.
तो वही आ रहा है minus 18 by 5 minus 21 by 5.
Point of contact. इस formula से?
Yes sir. M slope वाले से simple सी calculation आ रही है.
Simple सी calculation है. By both ways you can do. Either you can use that formula am by root over 1 plus m square and a by root over 1 plus m square, or you can use you can find out this equation, radius equation, and solve with this tangent. You'll get the point of contact. To this question or what? Answer here. Acha. Everyone got this answer, na? Kanishka, you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Haripriya also got the answer. Now coming to the next concept. That's length of tangent. Acha, see, I did not have to tell you how to find out the equation of normal, na? Normal you can find. About normals, you should know this one because we have learned how to find out the equation of tangent. You will be knowing how to find out the equation of normal like this. Normal is always, one thing is normal always passes through the center. Every normal passes through the center. One thing. For circle. The second thing is every normal passes through the center. This is the first thing. Second thing is to find out that the equation of normal. Either you can, the most common thing is because you by now you know how to find out the slope of the tangent. So the slope of normal will be minus 1 by the slope of tangent. Slope of tangent, how do you find? Dy by dx at that point. x1, y1 that you already know. Okay, find out the slope of the normal and then solve it with the equation of center. Solve it with the center. Y minus beta is equal to slope of normal into 1 x minus alpha. This is the basic way. Find out the equation of normal. Whatever way they ask, you can solve like this. This is how you get the equation of normal. Easy. Now, length of tangent. Just tell me, if I've asked what is the length of tangent, let me explain. This is a circle. Let's say this is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. I want the length of tangent from this point, from any point, random point x1 comma y1 to this circle. The length of tangent is, suppose this is p, this is s1. ps1 represents the length of tangent. And one more important thing is, there can be two tangents drawn in this case, ps1, ps2, and always ps1 is equal to ps2. But the task is you have to find out this value using this information only. Can you do it? Take it like a problem and give me the answer. What should be the value ps1 and ps2? ps1 or ps2? It's up to you. Solve it like a problem and then see what answer you're getting.
So we can use Pythagoras theorem.
You can use Pythagoras theorem, correct?
Instead of using Pythagoras theorem, I have another idea.
What?
Sir, can I draw on the screen?
You can draw the screen, right?
So, like, if we extend these lines, these points intersect at one point. So, we could find the centers minus G comma minus F, right? So we could find the line equations of these both. Equate it to find this point, and we could find the length.
No, I did not get. Equate it.
Sir, I mean,
You.
like, we have to, if we extend these two lines, S1, S2, it intersects at one single point. So
Okay.
we could find the equation of this line, because we know the center.
Which line? This
S1
line?
and S1 and S2.
This way?
Yes.
Okay, then.
And if we equate, we'll get the point P's value.
How I'm not able to understand how you'll get the point P value.
So because these 2 points intersect at one point, they have one common source.
Already it is given now. The point is x1, y1.
Okay.
But how you are planning to find the x1, y1? That I want to know. See, the idea that I had is you can find out the center because this is minus g comma minus f. So let me write with a normal pen. See, we know this center is minus g comma minus f. Radius also you know. Radius is what? Radius is this root over g square plus f square minus c. Either you take upper triangle or the lower triangle, not a problem. This is root over g square plus f square minus c. If you connect these two, this distance you can always find. This one. What? x1 plus g whole square. y1 plus f whole square. Correct? Yeah. Now,
You could just apply the Python.
we can just apply the Pythagoras theorem.
But it would be such a long formula.
It will be long, but I will give you a shorter formula how to identify. PS1 square will be equal to your g square plus f square minus c plus x1 plus g. Oh, wait.
X1 square
No,
plus
I
G1.
did one mistake. This plus this is equal to this one. Is equal to x1 plus g whole square plus y1 plus f whole square. So PS1 square plus g square plus f square minus c is equal to x1 square plus g square plus 2gx1 plus y1 square plus f square plus 2f(y1). This will get cancelled. So it will become PS1 square will become x1 square. You'll find out very interesting thing. 2gx1 plus 2f(y1) plus c. In PS1, what you have got now, it's root over x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2f(y1) plus c.
It's like more like a circle formula.
It's more like a circle equation only.
But with the center of x1.
With x1, y1 substituted in that. So
and also a root is on.
Root is there. So that's why we write one formula. This is equal to root s1, where s1 denotes what? When you substitute the point x1, y1 in the circle equation, that one. It works for every circle. Is the length of tangent. From now on, I'll take few formulas. Here, S represents the equation of circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. S1 represents this. and the tangent represents that equation x1, equation of tangent y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c. Okay, these are the notations. This is the length of tangent. This is how we find out the length of tangent. Can you solve this question? Achha, do you know something about APGP? Basic idea you have now already.
Somewhat.
Somewhat you have
Yeah.
the basic idea only I want, not the advanced one.
Yes.
Okay, then let me give you this question.
So what does lambda represent?
Lambda, it's just a constant.
तो HP क्या होता है?
HP, हार्मोनिक प्रोग्रेशन, ये तुम्हारे सिलेबस से हट गया है.
तो
That's not for J also.
It's not for JE also.
Oh, they've removed it.
AP represents arithmetic progression, GP represents geometric progression, HP represents harmonic.
So can you just tell what's harmony progression?
I thought you will ask. C.
I don't think harmonic progression is changed.
It's not there in this one, but let me tell you.
CP हो सकता है.
See what is the difference? Na? It's like AP. Arithmetic progression, the terms are like this: A plus D, A plus 2D. Only the difference between second term and first term is D, like this: A plus 3D, so on and so on, A plus n minus 1 into D. Now, in the GP is what? The terms are AR square, AR square. Common ratio is R, AR cube, like that, into R power n minus 1. Harmonic progression is 1 by A, comma 1 by A plus D, 1 by A plus 2D, just the reciprocal. Now you should have got the idea. It's just the reciprocal of AP. Understood? Am I okay?
What is the reciprocal of arithmetic product?
Every term is reciprocated, means 1 by this, and then those terms are written.
Can you explain this question?
You're not getting the answer.
No, sir.
What about Haripriya? You?
Sir, I don't know.
राधिका नहीं आ रहा? किसी का भी नहीं आ रहा क्या राधिका?
तो मेरा कुछ कुछ आ रहा है, मुझे लग रहा है जीपी होगा, गेस है।
हाँ नहीं आ तो सही रहा है, प्रेडिक्ट तो तुमने सही किया आंसर को।
अजीब अजीब सा है, मतलब एचपी होगा नहीं, एपी लग नहीं रहा,
कनिष्का तुम्हारा भी नहीं आ रहा?
ऐसे आ रहा है।
कनिष्का का भी नहीं आ रहा। अच्छा मैं रुको। इफ द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन टू द सेंटर्स ऑफ 3 सर्किल, तो सेंटर क्या है? सेंटर है C1 अगर मैंने बोला तो माइनस लैम्डा 1 कॉमा 0, एंड C2 इज माइनस लैम्डा 2 कॉमा 0, C3 इज माइनस लैम्डा 3 कॉमा 0। अब इनके जो डिस्टेंसेस हैं D1 ओरिजिन से 0 कॉमा 0 टू दिस will be lambda 1 only, and D2 will be lambda 2, D3 will be lambda 3. They said these distances are in GP. They are in GP means they are in GP.
But I didn't get a common dish.
See, they are in GP means D1, D2, D3 are in GP. What you did not get, Haripriya?
Common dish.
Common ratio. Common ratio you can find out like this, na? See, the terms are D1, D2, D3 are in GP, they said. Means what? Lambda 1, lambda 2 and lambda 3 are in GP. That means what? The common ratio is same, na? This, the ratio has to be same of the terms. This is the property of GP. That means what? Lambda 2 by lambda 1 must be equal to lambda 3 by lambda 2. That means lambda 1, lambda 3 should be equal to lambda 2 square. This condition we have got. Now,
Okay, sir.
they are asking the length of tangents drawn to them from any point on the circle. Let's see. 3 circles are there. Length of tangent. These 3 circles. No. Leave it. We'll just use the formula. Length of tangent drawn to them from any point on the circle. The length of tangents will be T1 will be equal to root x square plus y square plus 2 lambda 1x minus c square. This is T1, this is T2. T3 will be also we know, because this point, the point from where we are taking the this one. Let me draw it. That will be easier for you. 3 circles are there. This you will visualize properly. This and this. This is your this circle, x square plus y square is equal to c square. This is your circle on which the point x1, y1 lies. And these are your that circle, x square plus y square plus 2 lambda x, lambda 1x minus c square is equal to 0. This is your x square plus y square plus 2 lambda 2x minus c square is equal to 0. This is actually the question is solved. This C circles. They are asking the length of tangents from this. Here, this, and third one is this. Now, see, because this point x1 y1 lies on this circle, so obviously we have x1 square plus y1 square is equal to c square. So this thing we can put here in every equation. Here you can put c square. This is equal to c square. This is equal to c square. Now you will get. Now you may be thinking I would have got the answer. This will cancel. This will cancel. This will cancel again. So T1 is equal to root 2 lambda 1 x1. T2 will be equal to root 2 lambda 2 x2. And T3 will be equal to root 2 lambda 3 x3. Now if you see, because if lambda 1 lambda 2 lambda 3 is equal to lambda 2 square, you can write 2 lambda 1 x1 into 2 lambda 3 x1 is equal to, what I'm doing, this x2 x3, why I have written this x1 only, na? Correct. Is equal to 2 lambda 2 x1 whole square. I can write like this. So this becomes, this you can write again, root 2 lambda 1 x1, root 2 lambda 3 x3, nothing, no harm, is equal to root over 2 lambda 2 x1 whole square. Root I have applied. So this you can write as T1 T3 is equal to T2 square. So that's why these lengths are also in GP. Understood?
Yes.
The same, actually, I wanted to give one more question to you. This question you try at home. Take it as homework. And all the best to everyone. Enjoy your festivals. Enjoy so much. And then after that, you'll be fresh for the class from Monday. Okay? Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.
Bye, sir.
Yes,
Bye-bye.
sir.
Bye-bye. Bye, Kanishka.